Welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I will show you how I prepare these egg yolks, sweety egg yolks. These are the ingredients. Let's go to check the recipe. So, the first thing we are going to do is separate the white from the yolk. This is a really easy recipe, really tasty and sweety, and it's typical from Avila. This is a region from Spain. Now I'm going to save the white to make some other recipe. Now, with the yolks, we're going to go through a steel strainer like this. Helping with a spoon until we have something like this. So I reserve this for later, and now let's prepare the syrup with the water, the sugar, the cinnamon stick. This is optional. The half cinnamon stick and the lemon. This lemon zest also is optional. So we will boil until we get a syrup like this. This is the consistency we need. We retire the cinnamon stick. So this is what we need, and now we are going to mix the syrup with the egg yolks in 2 or 3 different times. Now let's cook over low heat, very low heat, and stirring all the time so that the bottom does not burn. You can see it's changing the color and the consistency of the yolks. We need something like this, a little bit more. Now I will going to stir with a spatula, and it's ready. We can put this preparation on a plate. Let's spread on the plate like this. I put a plastic film, and I will take this to the refrigerator for an hour. And now you can see it's ready. It's cool, it's a different color, and ready to prepare the egg yolks of SantaTeresa. I put icing sugar on my hands, on my finger to work the mixture better, like this, and we will roll to do these perfect balls. Let's make some balls like this. And when it's ready, we can put in the coconut. This is optional. You can put also in regular sugar, but I prefer the taste of the coconut. And they are ready, the yolk of SantaTeresa. You will have about 15 SantaTeresa yolks. Great, with a good coffee, and I will show you inside how is it. And I hope you enjoy. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe and comment. Thanks, and see you next video.